Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Nitan Pachala. I am Nitan Buragohai. Today we are driving one of the most popular and powerful tools for building website, WordPress. If you are a beginner looking to create your first website, this guide is for you. Why choose WordPress? First thing first, why WordPress? WordPress powers over 45% of all websites on the internet, and for good reason. It's free, one source, and offers endless customization options. Whether you are building a blog, a business site, or an online store, WordPress has you covered. Plus, with thousands of themes and plugins available, you can create a professional looking without needing to know a single line of code. Setting up your WordPress site. Let's get started with setting up your WordPress site. The first step is choosing a domain name and getting web hosting. I recommended you using a hosting provider that offers one-click WordPress installation. Once you have got your domain and hosting set up, go ahead and install WordPress. Most hosting providers make this process super easy. Navigating the WordPress dashboard. After installation, you will be greeted by the WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can manage your site's contents, install themes and plugins, and customize your site's appearance. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. I will walk you through the basics step by step. Choosing and installing a theme. Now let's talk about themes. A theme controls how your website looks. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes. You can browse these themes directly from your dashboard. Once you find a theme you like, simply install and activate it. You can further customize your theme to match your brand's styles by using the WordPress customizer. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. They add functionality without needing to code. Some essential plugins include SEO plugins like Yoast, security plugins like WordPress, and caching plugins like WT to tell cats. Installing plugins is as easy as searching for them in the plugin directory, clicking install and active. Just be careful not to overload your site with too many plugins, as it can slow down your site. Creating page and post. With your theme and plugins in place, it's time to create your content. WordPress uses two main content types, pages and posts. Pages are static, like your about page, contact us page, home page, blog page, while posts are typically used for your blog. To create a new page, go to the page and add new. And for a new post, go to the post and add new. From here, you can add text, image, and other media using the Gutenberg blog editor or Elementor Pro. Customizing your site. Customization is key to making your site stand out. In the WordPress customizer, you can change your site colors, fonts, and layout. You can also add widgets to your sidebar or footer. Take your time exploring the customization option until you are happy with the look and feel of your site. Launching your website. Before you launch, make sure everything is working properly. Test all the links, forms, and functionalities. Once you are ready, hit that publish button and make your website live for the world to see. And remember, maintaining your website is an ongoing process. Regularly update your content, themes, and plugins to keep everything running smoothly. That's it for today's guides and getting started with WordPress. I hope this video has given you the confidence to start building your own website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Nitin Pathshala for more tips, tutorial and tips. And if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover next, drop them into the comment below. Thank you for watching.